Okay, so today we're gonna teach you how to replace your high-grade internal filter. Okay, so if you notice your Kangen machine notifying you to replace your filter, so this is a brand new one, so this is just for demo purposes. Usually, the machine will notify you every 6,000 liters when to replace your internal high-grade filter. Okay, so once you see there's a notice of filter replacement here, so what you do, you open the black cover and then make sure the unit is powered on and press the reset button here. Okay? So this will stop the machine in notifying na you have to replace your filter. But of course, kung wala ka pang high-grade filter, you have to buy the filter from the office or from your distributor. Okay? So once you have your filter, this is a brand new high-grade filter. So you open it up. Okay. Tear off the seal. Okay. There's a sticker here. Later I'll tell you how to use it. And then this is a brand new one. Okay. Just put it aside. And then open this latch here, going to the remove. Okay. So once you remove it, hugutin niya pataas, pull it up, pull the filter up to remove it, like so. Okay. Make sure that the O-rings are here. So if you notice there's a O-ring missing, make sure to get it from here and then put it back here. Okay. And then get your new high-grade filter and then just put it there. Then put the latch back in. And then rotate to the arrow that says install. Yeah. There. Oh. Make sure that the latch is properly placed. The ring here. Okay. So you will notice there's a clicking sound. If it's kung properly locked siya. And then you can still rotate it a bit. Okay, so this is normal. Okay, and make sure it's properly placed there without any misalignment here. So to be sure, don't cover yet. Okay, don't cover yet. Let the water run for like 30 seconds to make sure there's no leak. Then press the reset switch again, like so, to reset the counters to 0. Okay, so don't press it again and again. Just press it one time until magsabi ulit yung machine that it reached 6,000 liters. Okay? Then, once everything is, there's no leaking here, that's the time you put the black cover back in. And don't forget to let water run out for 2 minutes. Because the filter is new, you want the carbon fines to go out. Okay, so 2 to 3 minutes of flushing will do it. Okay? Okay, thank you.